Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Space City Cannabis. Welcome back to another unboxing. We got another familiar face on the channel. We got YOCAN Black. They were kind enough to send over this Celestial 2 and the brand new Phaser 2 Ace. So first and foremost, thank you so much to YOCAN Black for sending out these devices. I'm going to go ahead and drop their website right here. Go ahead and check them out, yocanblack.com. Feel free to use code SPACECITY. Code SPACECITY is going to save you guys 30% off at yocanblack.com. So make sure you go and check them out. They got some really nice devices, very comparable to the Puffcos. You go ahead and put that one to the side. We're going to go ahead and unbox the Celestial 2. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. Get the plastic out the way. The cover slides up like this. Go ahead and push this back just a little bit. Cover comes right off. And the top comes off just like that. Very similar to an Apple product. Right here we have the owner's manual, which we can go ahead and go over. It says to add water. It detaches from the base. I believe it is a magnetic base. You push it 3 times to change the temperature. You power it on and off. You click it on 5 times. It says to add pearls. You add pearls into the ball, add your concentrate, and then you go ahead and add your glass top. 5 clicks to power it on and off. 3 clicks to change the temperature. Double click to start the session. So you double click it, wait a little bit, it'll vibrate and let you know when it's ready. And then carb airway. Very, very interesting. Here goes another list of features. Very cool. Got this nice little how to verify your original YOCAN. Pretty cool. Making sure that it is an original product. Then we got the actual Pokeball in here. That's what I like to refer to it as. Very cool. As well as the top. Y'all saw that? That thing just sticks right onto that mug. Y'all see that? Sheesh. Really cool. It's got a little bit of play on it too, so it can just go around like that. Has a ball on it. That ball is probably going to get in the way, as if you suck on it too hard, it'll go right into that. Very cool product. I wonder if it spins off. Where do you actually put the concentrate at? Very interesting design. We'll figure it out. We'll mess around with it a little bit. So far, it looks really cool. Let's go ahead and turn it on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So very similar to the Puffco, clicking on it 3 times to go through the temps. So we start off at blue, then we go to green, red, and white, I believe. Go back to blue. Go ahead and double click it to start. It's going to go ahead and start heating up. And while it does that, let's go ahead and take a look at what else is in the box. Got this neat little accessory pack that comes with it. Oh, here goes the actual atomizer, guys. Might want to put that in there before you start it up, right? So this is what's actually going to screw into the atomizer right here. That is probably why it had some play to it. I know it still has a little bit of play to it, but now you actually have your device right there. So just like it was saying in the owner's manual, go ahead and put in your terp pearls, add your concentrate, and then go ahead and enjoy. I'm going to do an initial burn off, just like I had done earlier. So 1, 2, 3, green tint. Let's go ahead and double click. We'll let that sit right there. Let's go ahead and take a look at what else is in here. We got a charging cord. We have some Q-tips. We also have a YOCAN Black dab tool. I don't know if that's picking up on the camera. YOCAN Black. No branding, and I do believe that is everything, guys. It's got a nice little plastic bag in here. Oh, I thought that was it, but no, they even include the terp pearls, guys. They were kind enough to send some terp pearls, which is very cool. So you have everything that you need to start up. Charging cord. Let's see what kind of cord it is. I hope it's USB-C. Yep, USB-C. Right on, YOCAN. That is a huge plus nowadays with everything converting over to USB-C. That is what you want to have. You don't want to have those old micro USB chargers, guys. So now I'm going to go ahead and check this out. Got the atomizer. You can feel the heat coming off of that. Be very careful. Now let me go ahead and pause the video and let me grab some concentrate. Stay tuned. All right, what's up, guys? We got the device set up. We got our 2 terp pearls in there. And I got to tell you, man, this thing spins terps like crazy. Spins these terp pearls like, oh, I can't tell you what, man. As soon as you look, you hear that whirring sound? That's those pearls, man. But let's go ahead and load it up and take it for a spin. We got some lotus flower, handcrafted 90 to 120U rosin from our homies over at Sergey Cannabis. Sheesh. Look at that goo. What better way to test out this YOCAN device than with some premium rosin? Let's go ahead and grab a little globber. Ooh, the consistency on this is crazy. Go ahead and drop it right in there. Go ahead and get cleaned up here. Strap up my seatbelt. You guys see that big old globber? It's for the boys. Let's go ahead and put this on. I want to put it like this. I want that little smoker to look at me. Look at me smoke. Now we ain't running green. We running red. There we go. Double click squad. Let's get it. All right, guys. We're just going to hold on. Wait for it to vibrate. As soon as it vibrates, it's going to signify it's ready to go. Once again, this is an unboxing and use of the YOCAN Black Celestial 2. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let's get ready to take flight. There we go. Vibrated. Look at that, guys. Clouds. Holy cow. Oh my God. The amount of clouds that produced. You hear the turbo spinning there, making sure you're getting all your wax, making sure it's getting all heated up, vaporized. The flavor on it was incredible. Let's see how it melted. Look at that, guys. Almost completely clean. A little bit of splatter right there, but that's all right, guys. Another incredible device coming from YOCAN Black. Thank you guys so much for watching. This has been a presentation of YOCAN Black's Celestial 2. Hell of a device, man. If you guys are interested in picking one up, go ahead and use code SPACECITY at yocanblack.com. It's good for 30% off. If you guys are on social media, go ahead and follow YOCAN Black and follow myself at Official Space City and at Official Space City Cannabis Merch. If you guys are on TikTok, go ahead and follow me at Real Space City Cannabis. If you guys are on Social Club, follow me at Space City Cannabis. And don't forget to check out my other two YouTube channels, Spacegasm Podcast and Space City Grows. Now, with all that being said, I'll be sure to catch you guys on the next unboxing. Peace.